So today we will come to the restaurant and see nature. First place that we will travel today is a restaurant called Lana. It's a restaurant with delicious food and many beautiful photo corners. Will be a restaurant located in the beautiful rice field. After that, we go to the sea, the Nok Nam, which we will drive through the main road, and we have to drive carefully.
คนขับค่ะคนขับ
After this, we will travel for about 20 minutes. We will shoot natural scenery for everyone to see. And we have arrived at the Nok Nam viewpoint.
It's the nature in นกน้ำรีสอร์ทช้าๆอย่างนี้ฮ่า Next we are the pool and the playing in the river ที่สระน้ำคลองค่ะ
ต่อไปที่ไหนยกล้อเกือบพัดไปเกือบพัด
อีกอันยกล้ออีกอันบึ้น
And we'll travel to the river where we will swim. And now we are at the Chalung City, in which driving two cars is dangerous. So we will go to the nut house to change the car.
ทุกคนไปกันค่ะไหนเอ่ยรู้สึกเป็นไงบ้างคะ What how you feel รู้สึกเป็นไงบ้าง
รู้สึกแบบ
After this, we will let everyone see the way of hardship. From now on, we have to take a wheel to travel.
Tải ระวังหล่นลืมครับทุกคน Hello everyone โว้ผมโม Oh my oh
In which the river that we are going to play is a river that surrounds a small hut. And now we have arrived at the place where we will swim, which is a quite private place area, therefore only us who play in the water.
ปอบประยูนซ่องตัวค่ะทุกคน Spark with the 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, so very scary.
บายบายอะไรก็ดี
Now it is time for us to go home. After this, we will drive home 20-30 minutes. After that, we would go to rest for a while before departing home and eating our trip today. We would like to drive a car first.
And now I am at my home. So today was a very fun day and was a very tiring as well. Today is so funny. It's traveling with friends, driving, going to a cafe, we're playing in the water.
I hope everyone like us on a trip today.
Click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Yay! Hello.
Hi everyone. Leng. Oh my god. Oh ไปไม่รอดแล้ว